Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0497 Evaporative Emission System Low Purge Flow Code. If you're getting P0497, it means that when the purge valve solenoid is opening up, it's supposed to release fuel vapor that was captured inside the charcoal canister. It means the flow going inside the combustion chamber is way too low. So now I'm going to tell you guys what is causing this issue. First, let's start with the purge valve solenoid. Most likely the purge valve solenoid is going to be located inside the engine bay area. Now, since it is easy to get to the purge valve solenoid, the first thing you should check is the lines. So you want to remove the line and look on the inside. You want to make sure it is not clogged, and you want to make sure that there is no obstruction. So if the lines look fine, next you want to test the purge valve solenoid. You want to energize the purge valve solenoid by giving it 12 volts by using the car battery, or you could also use a 9-volt battery. And you want to make sure that you hear the purge valve solenoid is clicking. If it is not clicking, it is possible that the purge valve solenoid is faulty and it is not opening up, and you should replace it. Also, I like to add that you should check the line as well. You want to make sure that the line is not kinked in any way, because if you have done any engine work or you have to remove the air box, it is possible that you have to move the purge valve solenoid out of the way to do what you have to do. Now, when you put things back together, again, make sure that the line is not being bent or kinked in any way. If the purge valve solenoid is not the issue, then most likely you're going to have a charcoal canister issue. Now, on the inside of the charcoal canister, there's going to be a lot of charcoal pellets. Now, the pellets can start to degrade over time. And when the pellets start to degrade, it can start to come apart. It can start to become loose. And when it becomes loose, the pellets can end up in the lines or in the evap line, and it can start to clog the evap line. And of course, when the evap lines start to become clogged, when it is full of charcoal pellets, this can cause the fuel vapor to flow very slowly into the combustion chamber when the purge valve is opening up. If you remove the evap line and you see a lot of charcoal pellets on the inside, it is time to replace that charcoal canister because it is no longer good. If the charcoal canister is fine and you don't see pellets on the inside, then make sure to remove the evap line and look on the inside. I have seen this happen many times, and I have seen spider webs on the inside of the evap line. If you see a lot of spider webs on the inside of the evap line, you want to remove the evap line and you want to blow air on the inside until the inside of the evap line is clear. I hope you found this repair lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.